Sir Jake's not here yet. It's good.
Hello, guys. So beautiful.
My dad bought
me.
Wow!
Okay, let's picture. 1, 2, 3, smile! Good morning, class.
Good morning, sir.
Please have a seat.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, class. Our lesson for today is virtue honesty. I will be discussing to you what is virtue honesty. Do you have any idea about virtue honesty?
Mine kita, sir. For me.
Yes.
So, for me, sir, is honesty is rare, but honesty is the best policy.
Thank you. So, class, virtue honesty. So, when we are honest to ourselves, we build trust with others. When we are thoughtful to our thought, feelings, and actions, we create a foundation of trust that others can rely on. Honesty is essential for building healthy relationships, both personally and professionally. Okay, class, it's already time. See you tomorrow. Bye, class.
Bye, sir.
See you tomorrow.
Yes, sir.
Hey, Bert. Where do you want to go eat lunch?
I don't know. So, can I join with you?
Yes, you may.
Let's go.
Why my order is taking so long?
Yeah, I'm so
Are you
hungry.
hungry?
Oh my gosh.
Hungry.
Wait, guys. My phone is gone. I just put it in my bag.
It was there a minute ago. Someone must take it. Guys, the body calm down. It's not just the conclusions. Maybe she put it in somewhere else. Just cut it off.
No, don't panic. We will help you find that.
Honestly, I saw a chart hanging around your desk before class ended.
What? No, I didn't think anything. Actually, I saw Chart pick something, but it looked like trash, not a phone.
I picked up a notebook. I thought it was mine. Maybe I grabbed something else by accident.
Everyone, let's all just stay calm. Char, do you mind taking your bag? What is this, Char? Why did you hide my phone?
Oh no, I did drop it by mistake. I'm just pranking you, not thinking what you feel. I'm so sorry. I will do it again.
Okay, I believe you. Thanks for being honest about it.
Is everything okay here?
All sorted, sir. Just a little mixed up, but honesty saved the day.
Good to hear that. You learned from our lesson.
Honesty is rare and not